In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on Shopify. If you're running an online store through this platform and want to improve your website's functionality, security, or marketing analytics, understanding how to manage cookies is vital. These tiny files play a crucial role in tailoring the browsing experience to your visitors' preferences and ensuring the seamless operation of various website features. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Head over to your browser and visit the Shopify website. Once there, use your login credentials to access the admin panel. If you haven't logged in for a while, you might need to remember your login details, so keep those handy. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Shopify dashboard in front of you. Now, navigate to the section labeled Online Store, which you'll find on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is a vital hub for all your website's design and functionality features. From the menu that appears below Online Store, select Themes. You'll notice that a list of the themes currently installed on your store becomes visible. Find your active theme, the one currently in use, which is usually located at the top. Next to the theme's name, you'll see a button labeled Actions. Click on Actions, and then find and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the backend code of your theme, where adjustments are made. Once you're inside the code editor, look to the left panel where you have a list of files. You're looking for the Layout folder. Click on it to expand its contents and locate theme.liquid. This file is crucial as it contains the underlying code for your store's layout. Go ahead and click on theme.liquid to open it in the editor. Here comes the essential part: you need to enable cookies to track and improve user experience. Directly after opening the theme liquid file, you'll be adding or ensuring the presence of JavaScript code snippets to handle cookies. Make sure your markup includes a snippet that sets cookies for analytics or quick preferences. This could look something like checking for an existing cookie or writing a new one when a user visits your store. Make sure to save any changes you've made by clicking the Save button at the top. It's crucial not to exit without saving, as you wouldn't want to lose any work you've done. Once saved, your cookie settings will be activated for your Shopify store, enhancing the user experience and optimizing some backend functionalities. As a final step, it's a good idea to visit your store from an incognito window to test the cookie settings. This ensures everything is working smoothly and confirms that your changes have been implemented correctly. If you do face any issues, retrace your steps or consult Shopify's help resources for additional guidance. That's all there is to it. With your cookies enabled, your Shopify store is now more equipped to handle data efficiently and provide a tailored experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.